Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you guys how you can generate more sales, also increase your sales in Nigeria using two apps. I would like to show you one of Jiji and Jumia, how you can use it to generate more sales, to get more customers. So let's proceed to the practical aspects. So I'm using mobile app because I noticed most of us don't have personal computers. We don't have systems to run all these stuff. But with our mobile phone, we can still use it. That's why I'm using the mobile phone to put us through here. So what we need to do now is go to Play Store or Google Play Store. Then you search Gigi app. You are going to Jumia, but let's face this one first. Gigi app, Nigeria, and this is the app. I've already downloaded the app. I've already installed the app on my phone. That's why I'm seeing open here. If not, you see install. So once you open it and you see install, click on the install button here. Here you see this open. Yours should be installed. So click on the install and wait for it to load till it shows this open button. Then you click on it and proceed. Click on open. Okay, that's it. It's loading. Still loading. Loading regions. We are waiting. Boom, it's here. So as you can see, the first thing you see is I want to buy, I want to sell. So what do you want to do what do you want to do here? Are you here to sell or you are here to buy? Just click on the one you want, then proceed. Okay, I want to sell. You click on I want to sell. These are different categories. Different categories. So for you to start, you need to sign up. You need to sign up first before any other stuff. So let's go to, you click on this profile here. Hope you know where the profile is. At the bottom, just check the right part. At the bottom, you see the profile. Click on the profile. Then you can sign up with either your Google account, Facebook, or you can sign up manually with your email or phone number. So let me just use one of my Google accounts to just sign up. Okay, I've already signed up before, so it just logged me in automatically. So this is the home page and this is the profile. So for you to start, for you to upload this, I don't want to waste much of your time. So once you have signed in, you're already in this place. Click on these three buttons at the top. As you can see, you see settings here. So you can change any details you want to change. You can edit your profile here, do whatever you want to do. You can see log out here. So let's go straight to the point. Click on this my adverts. Click on my adverts. This is the advert I've done before. So move. So you want to post stuff now, like you want to post to sell. I click on this sale here. Click on the sale. As you can see, this is the page. Here you post your own adverts. So you choose the category. What kind of things are you selling? What are you selling? Are you into fashion or electronics, agriculture, or even services? Which service can you offer? Which one are you rendering? So you click on any of the category you like. Let me just choose fashion. Click on fashion. What kind of fashion? Is it clothing, bags, jewelry, shoes, watches, wedding wear, and accessories? Choose anyone you want. Okay, let me choose shoes. So the titles, at least this add photo, you add like two photos. Just add like two photos. So when they see it, so when they see the photo, they'll know that okay, this is what this person has, this is what this person is selling. They will just, but anybody that likes the picture will just click on the contact and give you a call, put a call through. Then you talk, you just discuss how you can deliver the products. And the good part about this Jiji is that there's no any hidden charge. The person will pay you directly, cash on delivery, anyhow you want it. You tell the person and you get paid for it. That's all. So this is it. The title, come here and you write the title of the product. If it's the shoe, okay, the title of the shoe, let me say Nike. Let me just say Nike footwear. Just an example. I'm just choosing a random stuff here. So select your region. Where do you stay? Where can they find you? Lagos State. Where in Lagos State? Is it Aja, Shomolu, Alimosho? So just click, okay, let me just click on Aja. Then gender. You select. Is it for women, for men, or unisex? Let me choose unisex. The type. Select. So you can just select anything here. Select then the brand. Gucci, Nike. As you can see, there are different brands here. You can just search for any one you want. Let me click on another brand. Remove. Then what size? What's the shoe size? What's the shoe size? So click on the size. Okay, let me say it's 37. Click on 37. Or you click on choose shoe size. What color is the shoe? Click on any color. The shoe condition, is it used, brand new, or so click on, okay, let me see, brand new. Select style, is it casual, sport, or formal? Let me just choose sports. But don't just choose randomly, choose according to the product you have, so people won't understand what you're selling. Because if you choose all these things where I'm choosing it won't help you, because most people just look at the advert like this is not something they should go for. But once the write up, everything is okay, they want to contact you, they'll put a call through to know more about it, and if they're interested, they'll call you. So select upper material. What type of material is it? Is it cotton, canvas? Just choose anyone. Leather. Choose. After you select, then you click on this choose one upper material. Click on it. Select outsole. Any outsole you like. Is it rubber, plastic? You choose. Click on choose. Select fastening. Any one you like. You choose. Then description. You can write, okay, this is a unisex footwear. This is a unisex footwear with so much quality and available at cheaper rates. So the price, how much you intend to sell the shoe? Is it 5,000, 20,000, 50,000? Put the price. Let me just put 5,000 here. Is the price negotiable or not? If it's negotiable, then you click on this. You tick it. Just click on this negotiable here. Click on it. Then you move. So this is where the main thing is. The way Jiji works, if you pay for this plan, this top plan, Boost Premium, they will make your product show in the first page. That is when someone opens the Jiji app or go to their website, your product will be among the products that will be in the home page, on their own page. Yes, they'll be on their own page. So, but if you don't have money yet, for the adverts. You can just proceed with this. Click on this standard ad, then you click on post. I've not added any picture. Okay, let me just select any random picture. You allow. Load. You allow. Okay, let me use this. Okay. Add another one. Okay. Image. Okay. Just check if it will go. I still need to add one more. Okay. Just put. Just add any random picture. Okay. So now you come, then you click on post ad. You wait for it to load. It's loading. As you can see, these are all the information. So the ad is under review. It's under review. So after reviewing it, you just approve it. Once you approve it, then you are good to go. You can even post the link here to make it more professional. You can post the link on your WhatsApp, anywhere you like, on social media. You can just post the link, share with your friends for them to visit, and so on. As you can see, this is type everything we selected, and that's option. All those options we selected. As you can see, this is the description. This is the unisex footwear with so much quality and available at cheaper rates. So that's it. That's how it's done. So thanks for watching this video, and wait, you can post as much as you can, as many as possible. So when I wanted to end this video before, but I need to explain this to you guys. If someone likes the stuff, the product or the service, and wants to put a call through, they might put a call through, or they might send a message, a direct message here on this app. So you click on this message. If you have any notification, any message, you get it in this place. After this profile, underneath the screen, just check below the screen, you see messages. Click on it, then it will take you to where the message starts. So as you can see, there's no message for now. So that's it about promoting your products online. And you can still go to the home page. As you can see, they have different categories here. It says car, properties, phones, electronics. You can even sell your used products here. If you're using one phone and you don't like the phone, you want to change it, you can just post it here and you sell it. Even houses. Yes. I have so many people that have gotten an apartment from this particular app. They just go through the app. Once they see the advert, okay, they like it, they'll contact the person. Then the person take them to the place for inspection. After the inspection, if they like the house, if they likes it, then they'll just proceed, make payments, and boom, that's it about that. So as you can see, this one is even professional logo design. You can do anything in this place. So this one is service. It's rendering the service. As you can see, this is another logo design, another logo, sell the products online, e-commerce websites. So that's it. And if you want an online store for your business, don't hesitate to hit me up. I'm available. I'm always available for that. So as you can see, let me show you my advert here. This is the advert I made. If you want to create an online store like this, any kind of online store you want, is it like Jiji? Sorry, like Jumia or any store at all, just message me, drop a message. You can contact me on Facebook Pious Ash, on IG, Ash Concepts, and so on. So thanks for watching this video.